माइक चेक। सब लोग को आवाज आ रही है पीछे? ओ मेरे आंखें मर रही हैं। ओ डैम, पीछे आवाज आ रही है ना? गुड। एवरीबॉडी यार, गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू माहम, द अजीब टीम, फरजाम, अफान, एवरीबॉडी, दे आर डूइंग अ क्रेजी जॉब यार। माहम, यू आर लवली। अब मैं कोक को रखूं नीचे। अच्छा जी। Allah. I have to wrap this up in 20 minutes. So I am putting a timer for myself before I forget. Now, who the hell am I? I am Mustafa. I have been running a design agency for the past 2 years now. My agency is doing multi-seven figures right now. But before we actually begin, I want to talk about a guy I met 2 years ago. He was in his O-levels. And I was like, wow, tum O-levels mein ho? And he was running a design agency too. I think he was a freelancer. I wish he could be here right now, but he is from Karachi. But I was like, yaar, how do you even manage grades and then really good grades actually, and at the same time, a whole design freelance thing? And I was like, damn. And the only thing that he said was that still sticks out to me is, yaar, I just believe in myself. How? I can't do that. And that is why I want to give credits to 2 people. My friend Shahil, and then there is Arisha. 2 really great people. Can you guys give them a round of applause, because I wouldn't be here without them. I love you guys. मुझे ये वीडियो मिलनी चाहिए. Right. Now, getting into this. What are the expectations and what is my presentation about? It's about making money. Literally, that's it. Because creatives के अंदर marketing की बात होती नहीं है. When I was starting out, I was like, marketing क्या करनी है? मुझे, what do you mean marketing? So I just search up YouTube पे marketing कैसे करते हैं. And पता नहीं क्या results है यार. I had no clue. So, what are the expectations you can have from this? I will teach you the skills you need right now from beginning, from $0 to around $500 per month. Right? Not a lot. But okay. A lot of people are like, freelance करें या agency करें? क्या करना है? That is also what I'll answer. How do you increase your prices? Like, how the hell? Because there's so many equations out there, and I'll just tell you my dumb way of doing it. And obviously, how to get clients. Also a roadmap from, this was supposed to be $3,000, but I can't do that. We're already 2 minutes in. Now, when we're at $0, we're starting at the basic. You have nothing. You have nothing. And that's the mindset most people have. यार, माहम के पास 12,000 followers हैं. यार, उमर नजीब खान के पास 100K followers हैं. I will never be at their level. How the hell do I even reach there? मैं कैसे करूं? And that's exactly where you guys are wrong. Haha. You have nothing to lose. माहम हो, मैं हूं, any big guy. हमने कुछ गलत बात बोल दी, हम कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. When you guys are starting out, nobody knows you. Who will cancel you? You and your 4 followers? By that I mean, knock on doors, do shit, do anything, do literally anything, and you will be getting, you won't be judged. And that's the biggest fear most people have. लोग क्या कहेंगे? आप हो ही नहीं कुछ, लोग क्या कहेंगे? Now, art's great, but it doesn't get you money. Pretty pixels doesn't mean shit. You can make the most beautiful stuff, but I swear to God, ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं मिलने वाले. So we want to create value over art. We want to get designs that convert. What the hell do I mean by that? We want to create shit that makes business owners or anyone have value. For example, branding हो गई, identity set कर रहे हैं, brand marketing positioning, angling आ गई है दिमाग में. That is what designers do. We want to provide value, and that is exactly why a lot of people can charge up to $1,000 for value, not pretty pixels. Moving on. When you are starting out, you need to find a niche. A niche is a market segment. It's a small section of the market. But how do you find a niche? And why the hell do you need a niche? ये मैं नहीं explain कर रहा, ये PK explain करेगा. So we will move on to this beautiful video.
भाई साहब यहाँ कौन भगवान का घर है का आसपास?
हाँ भैया ये सामने ही है आपके.
जाहिद शराब पीने दे मस्जिद में बैठकर या वो जगह बता दे जहाँ पर खुदा न
हेलो?
हो।
क्या है इसमें? भाई गार्ड के लिए कहाँ है?
There we go. The reason for showing that was शराब लेके तुम मस्जिद जाओगे, obviously पिटोगे. शराब being the product, मस्जिद being the market. अगर आपकी market is all religions और आप शराब उनको बेच रहे हो, Muslims you're not Muslims will be out. So like 30% of your market is gone. And another community will not buy. So आप इतनी energy waste कर रहे होगे यार on marketing stuff that what 30-40% of the community doesn't want. But yes, if you take that sharab ki bottle and you go sell it to Christians, drunk Christian men who are rich, they will want to buy. And you can focus all your marketing onto them, which makes more sense because they want to buy. Now, moving on. Niche मिल गई, खरीदना है, अब देना है, बेचना है, मंजन बेचना है. मंजन कैसे बेचना है? मंजन बेचने के लिए जो भी है, people need to trust you. लेकिन आपको क्यों ट्रस्ट करेगा? आप तो रैंडम इंस्टाग्राम बंदे हो 4 फॉलोअर्स के साथ. You are an internet stranger. Why the hell should I trust you with my money and my stuff? Why should I waste my time on you? And that's why you need a portfolio or work. लेकिन स्टार्टिंग में तो क्लाइंट्स ही नहीं है, तो मैं काम कहाँ से लाऊं? नौकरी करो, नौकरी के लिए काम चाहिए. I'll answer that right now. Free versus performance basis. When you're starting out, you need to do either one of those. ये आँख मेरे लग रही है, लेकिन bloody hell. You need to do free work. 3 to 4 pieces of work that you need to do to get at least something under your belt, under your portfolio. और free stuff हम पाकिस्तानियों को सिर्फ नहीं पसंद है, पूरी आवाम को पसंद है, पूरी दुनिया को पसंद है. Because it's free, right? You'll go up to a client and you'll be like, hop onto their DMs, hop onto wherever. मैं आपके लिए मंजिल अपना बनाऊंगा फ्री का. आपको चाहिए? Obviously नेस्ले के पास नहीं जाना, वो तो तुम्हें ऐसे ही निकाल देंगे. But the confidence to go up and go, hey, मैं तुम्हें मुफ्त का काम दे रहा हूँ, please ले लो. And why that? You have stuff under your belt, under your portfolio. But if you don't want to do free, you can do performance basis. Hey, I will hit this certain metric और आप पैसे दे दीजिएगा, वरना मुफ्त का काम. It's a win-win. आप पैसे दे, जब आपको काम, जब मेरे रिजल्ट्स हैं, अगर नहीं है ना दे, मैं अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, आपको कुछ नहीं करना. Once you have shit under your belt, what the hell do we do? Oh, free versus performance basis. That is, मेरे presentation slides missing हो रहे हैं, लेकिन okay, crazy. How do you get clients then? How the hell do we get clients after you've done your work, and how do we even get them to come up to you at the first place? That's the biggest questions people have. Any designer here has the biggest question, clients kahan se laye yaar? There are 4 ways. Inbound, outbound, paid ads, referrals. पेड एड्स छोड़ दो, $1000 लगाने होंगे स्टार्टिंग में, नहीं है पैसे, रेफरल छोड़ दो, क्लाइंट ही नहीं है। So what is inbound and outbound? Inbound is people coming to you. Imagine me as a client. Hi, Mustafa, please make me a design. That is inbound. People sliding into your DMs and going, hey, I need your design. Paise kitne hain? Like what I do and Maham does. For example, you are like, Maham, mujhe chahiye ek tumse poster. And she goes, sure. That is inbounds. And how do you get inbounds? Simply by posting content. That's it. Post content. Post shit tons of content. When I was starting out, there is this rule called the 20x rule. When you're starting out, you need to do it. If the industry average is, hey, we're gonna do 2 Instagram reels every day. That's the industry average. That's what most people are doing. You're gonna say, fuck it, हम लोग 20 करेंगे एक दिन में. Yeah, we're gonna do 20 every day. When the competition is going like this, and you are going like this, obviously you'll defeat them. Obviously people will go, oh my god, this guy is doing so much good shit. Oh my god, his output is crazy. And we want to work with this guy. Competition को आपने छोड़ दिया क्योंकि आप तो 20x output कर रहे हो. Now, what am I saying? What the hell am I saying? मुस्तफा तुम पागल हो. तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब है. 20x output, what are you trying to say? Are you crazy? And that's exactly it. If normal equals successful, 98% of the awam would be successful. Except they're not. Everybody is broke, everybody is not rich, and if you want to be successful, you have to be crazy. All right? Now, inbound हो गया, content post कर रहे हो, कौन सी platform? Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, blah blah blah. So use the same logic जो पीके ने सिखाया आपको. If my ideal client is शराबी बेचने वाले लोग, वो मिलेंगे कहाँ? Instagram पे मिलेंगे, Twitter पे मिलेंगे, LinkedIn पे मिलेंगे. For a more real world example, if I am a Webflow designer and I am like, मुझे business owners को बेचना है, वो LinkedIn पे मिलेंगे. मुझे creatives को मंजन बेचनी है कि मेरा कोर्स खरीदे. Instagram. Pretty simple. Just find out where your ideal clients are, and it's most of the times लोग Instagram पे बैठे हुए, लोग Twitter पे बैठे हुए, लोग LinkedIn पे बैठे हुए. Those are the three most common platforms that you need to do. You need to grow a personal brand. You just need to do a personal brand because it's the best way of getting clients. Coming to outbound. Outbound is, let's for example say, this is the client and this is me. I go, hello, पैसे दीजिए, मैं आपके लिए काम करूंगा. That's outbound. That is you going up to the client and saying, hey, I need money. I need please money दे दो, मुझे तुम्हारे लिए काम कर दूंगा. सही, obviously ये नहीं बोलोगे पैसे दे दो. But how do you do it? Cold emails, cold DMs, cold calls. Yeah, that's basically the 3 things. These are skills that you need to learn. Every successful person has skills that are stacked. So they won't just be proficient at just graphic design or a niche-based thing. They'll be good at graphic design, copywriting, sales, communication, everything. And that is what gives them more value. Simple difference. So it's up to you what you want to choose. Inbounds or outbounds, both is a skill to learn, both take time to learn. Karna hoga. Because let's be honest, if you want quick cash, go get a job. And we know how it feels like to do a job. Not good. मैं बंद हो गया easy. Now, मुस्तफा पैसे कैसे बढ़ाते हैं? मुस्तफा प्राइसेस कैसे कराए? Because let's be honest, मेरे पास तो कोई belief system था ही नहीं. वो तो मेरे 2 लोगों ने दिया था बहुत बाद में आके कि मुस्तफा you deserve everything in the world. मैं तो देसी फैमिली से हूँ यार. मेरे तो बचपन से डिप्रेशन पे लग गया है. But no offense to my mom and dad, I love them. Please, अम्मा please cancel नहीं करिएगा. I love you. अच्छा. how do you increase your prices as a designer without not even believing in yourself or not even knowing your worth? Because I didn't know my worth and I didn't even believe in myself. The simplest formula is time blocking. Now, before I tell you that, थोड़ी सी plot twist है. The kid I told you in the beginning of the story, oh that's me. और मेरे grades अच्छे नहीं थे, वो मैंने ऐसे ही बोला था. You know, मेरे grades अच्छे नहीं हैं. मैं अभी तक fail हो रहा हूँ. Now, funny thing, I'm still in my A2s. And मेरे 4 दिन में mocks हैं और 2 महीने में CI हैं और मैं यहाँ लाहौर आया हूँ. मैं कराची से हूँ by the way. What do you mean? How do I find the time to make shit? How do I find the time to make content? And how do I increase my prices? I'll block it out. Here I made a beautiful calendar. Very nice. Please, तालियां बजाएं सब लोग इसके लिए. I believed it myself. Okay. 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. and 11 p.m. is sleeping. You should sleep. You have to sleep. This is college time. 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. I have to be in A levels actually studying क्योंकि मैं इसमें subject में fail हो गया था यार. So I have to study. The rest of the time is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hours of the day, and you can see that most of the hours have been already blocked out. 7 hours of the day, how do I block out my time? How do I increase my prices here? इसके अंदर, let's assume one design takes 2 days to make. Or 2 hours to make. Let's just do that for example. I can only do 1, 2, 3 designs in a day. Right? Block out the whole calendar. पूरे हफ्ते का calendar लगा दो. Like, fill it out with clients for cheap prices. $10, $20, $30. Then, जब block out हो जाए, obviously you can't take more clients. And then you're like, पैसे पे और बढ़ाओ. And you can go fuck it we ball mentality. Which is, hey, क्या जा रहा है? मेरा पहला जब स्टार्टिंग आउट कर रहा था तो it was $30 for design and I blocked out my whole calendar. And next client आया, मैंने बोला $100 मुझे दीजिए आप. उसने हाँ क्या किया? हाँ? उसके बाद से मैंने ये वाले सारे जो क्लाइंट्स थे जो $20 भाड़ में जाओ ब्रो, मुझे $100 मिल रहे, मेरे महीने का सारा खर्चा निकल गया. Very happy that day. And then I realized, oh, I don't know my worth. My clients are just giving me my worth. तो मैं $100 के बेच लेता हूँ मंजन. उसके बाद से $100, उसके बाद से increasing until I found के oh, this is the highest price और उस पे आ नहीं रही, तो थोड़ा decrease भी कर लेता है. You find your worth by just going fuck it we ball because I don't believe in myself. I never thought I would be at this potential. Here we are. Alhamdulillah. But yeah, that is how you increase your prices. That is how you get clients. That is how you go from around $0 to $1,000. But let me see agar aur kuch hai. Now, there are resources that are timeless. There are skills that are timeless. There's a communication over here. If you're a good communicator, you can talk to everybody over here. If you're good at sales, you can sell yourself to anybody without, regardless of niche. मैं thumbnail design करता हूँ. Communication doesn't come in thumbnail design. Communication generally comes in whatever. मुझे लड़की से बात करना है, I can go up to her and say, hi, how are you? I can go up to him and tell him, hey, how are you? Without having fear. गलती वैसे तुम्हारी है. गलती हमारी है कि आपने टारगेट गरीबों को क्यों किया है यार? Now, at the same time, I said, hey, 98% of the population is गरीब. 2% तो है ना? And that sounds like कम. लेकिन there are millions of people out there. I mean, लाहौर के अंदर मैं आया हूँ, यहाँ में मैंने 4-5 पोस्ट ऑलरेडी देख ली है 2 दिन में. इतने पैसे हैं दुनिया में, बहुत पैसा है. सही है. So as soon as you find the right people, you just tell them $100 and then you are like to the $30, मेरे पास आपके लिए टाइम नहीं, आप भाड़ में जाओ. या आप $100 दो. What's the worst case that can happen? They go away, you're still making money with the $100 client. $30 वाला चला गया. या best case scenario, वो $100 दे रहा है आपको with the value you have provided. Moving on. आपने क्या पूछा था? Okay. अच्छा. आपका क्वेश्चन याद आया 20x और आउटपुट सही है क्वालिटी ओवर क्वांटिटी व्हेन यू आर स्टार्टिंग आउट you need quantity because quality is when you are at 12k followers that's when you have an audience that cares right quantity के अंदर आप average quantity quality भी हो सही है जैसा भी quality भी हो आप आउटपुट कर रहे हो आप बंदे के स्क्रीन पे आ रहे हो जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू हैव 1000 फॉलोअर्स एंड 200 फॉलोअर्स विल सी ईच वन पोस्ट इट्स नॉट कि तुम्हारे 1000 फॉलोअर्स में से पूरे लोग देखेंगे हर चीज सही है अगर आप 8 दिन में 8 दफा सबके फॉलोअर्स में आ रहे हो हाय गिव मी मंजन वो एक दफा तो देख लेंगे वो 2 दफा देख लेंगे वर्सेस योर कंपटीशन हु इज डूइंग 2 ट्वीट्स अ डे हु इज लाइक वो आता है हेलो और चले जाता है doesn't make sense. So at the start, you have to do quantity. I grew from around 200 followers to 8,000 followers just by doing 8 tweets a day, and I still do it. But it's not a good idea. We're changing it up. But here I am doing 8,000 followers. Cool. How do we get clients who don't pay? What do you do with clients who don't pay? Who don't pay? Upfront payments. Upfront हर वक्त. अगर आप अपफ्रंट नहीं ले रही वो लोग गधे के बच्चे भाग जाते हैं पैसे लेके मेरे सही है हाउ डू यू आस्क फॉर अपफ्रंट पेमेंट दैट टेक्स बॉल्स दैट टेक्स कॉन्फिडेंस लेकिन आप तो टैक्स के पीछे हो यू आर लाइक हे गिव मी मनी और वी आरंट वर्किंग बट आई गेट यू फ्रॉम अ क्लाइंट्स पॉइंट ट्रस्ट तो है नहीं तुम्हारे पास व्हाई शुड आई ट्रस्ट यू 50-50 कर लो आई ट्रस्ट यू बिकॉज यू आर ऑल्सो टेकिंग अ रिस्क बाय ट्रस्टिंग द क्लाइंट 50-50 कर लो but try to always get it upfront. Hey, I take the payments upfront. ये बोलो मैं सारे क्लाइंट से लेती हूँ you know even though if you don't मैं सारे क्लाइंट से 100% upfront पेमेंट लेती हूँ आपके लिए आप भी upfront लीजिए नहीं 50-50 if they are not inclined मैं प्रोजेक्ट के बाद देती हूँ मैं प्रोजेक्ट के बाद देता हूँ fuck you मर जाओ and that is how we increase prices. Arsalan bhai, who is Arsalan bhai? अरसलान भाई आपका एक सवाल था मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया दिस वॉज नॉट अ गुड आइडिया गो ऑन ऐड किया था आपका जवाब मिल गया आपको जवाब मिल गया yeah that's a niche problem a good niche is people who will pay you again for example I am doing graphic design I'm doing thumbnails by the way thumbnails that come onto YouTube nobody has ever even heard of that yaar let's be very real but once they are releasing a video 4 videos a month सही है वीडियो रिलीज करनी है थंबनेल तो आना है तो अब हर महीने जब भी वीडियो रिलीज होती है मैं पैसे ले लेता हूं इवन विद वेब डिजाइन आपको लैंडिंग पेज बनानी है फॉर एग्जांपल आपको लैंडिंग पेज बनानी है वन टाइम पेमेंट मेरी दोस्त कंजा what she does is hey I have monthly retainers सिर्फ जो चेंज करने के लिए सिर्फ you know ईमेल लेने के लिए आप और पैसे निकालिए और पैसे दीजिए so there is always ways सही है अगर ये तरीका नहीं मिल रहा niche change कर लो find a niche that works with branding you can be like Instagram के और पोस्ट बनाऊंगा मैं Instagram के रील्स बनाऊंगा मैं crazy you can do that और पैसे दीजिए हर महीने पैसे दीजिए then you know कि यार जितने भी घर के अंदर पैसे खर्च करने हैं महीने के जितने भी पैसे आ रहे होंगे यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट गेटिंग न्यू क्लाइंट्स एंड गेटिंग न्यू क्लाइंट्स टू इनबाउंड टू आउटबाउंड रुकना नहीं है एंड दैट इज माय टॉक एवरीबॉडी